Christine tries. Christine's trying. Yeah, no, I'm trying. Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, so am I. I started this channel now, and I'm gonna figure out how to edit it after I film this video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the already open FabFitFun winter box. I got it on a promo. It's got some cool stuff, and I thought other people might enjoy seeing what's in it. This is not sponsored. So I already took off some of the packaging because I didn't want to crinkle. So I'll just start with the already very much unwrapped throw. Ooh. All right. So this is the Mark & Graham Colorblock throw in gray/ivory or natural/ivory. I'm gonna guess I got the gray one. I would have liked the other one, but honestly, everything in my house is beige, so I could probably do with having another one. It's a pretty good size. I would say just past the size for a scarf, but just about the size for one person. So I'm gonna rock it the rest of the video. The next item in here is the BEARPAW set of headband and gloves, where you can flip it to be mittens. Ah, this is so nice. I'm going to Pittsburgh over the weekend, so I need warm things. In addition to the gloves, which I'm going to take off to do the hair, it comes with this fleecy inside thing that's going to mess up my hair the rest of the video. Probably wear it like this. Alright, next up we have the jewelry organizer, which was actually why I subscribed to this entire box. Was I found this online, I wanted it, and then I saw that it was in the FabFitFun this month. It is by HALSTON, and it is phenomenal looking. I'm also going to use it this weekend, so you can snap all your necklaces. Has a little pouch and additional organizer. I love bringing jewelry, but I hate bringing jewelry when I travel, so this is fantastic, and it looks like it's going to be really flat, which is a pro. Next up, we have over-the-knee textured socks. Now, I'm tall, so I'm gonna guess that over the knee for me means just about at the knee. I could give them maybe on the knee socks, but not everyone is 6 feet tall, so these might be over the knee if you're shorter. The next thing is kind of funny. You're supposed to get either a lipstick or coasters or these workout things. You didn't get to pick. I apparently was supposed to get the coasters, which I would have loved because I love wooden coasters. Just love them. My whole house is covered in wooden coasters. Because apparently there was a manufacturer issue, they decided to instead send everyone who was supposed to get the coasters a $25 item, and in this case they sent a wallet. I don't really use a long wallet like this. I would maybe for like a wedding or some formal situation where I didn't want to have like a wallet